What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day. Today's kind of weird for me. I woke up late and kind of tired, but today we're going to be polishing my car. So got some stuff to polish it, but we're not going to do the Z because I know my luck, I'll screw up, and I don't want to screw up on the nice car, even though those paint chips are kind of pissing me off. I need a carbon fiber hood. So if any carbon fiber companies see this video, yeah, because I get like millions of views. Send me a carbon fiber hood because I need it, but it just locked by itself. But I'm gonna be moving out the car, bringing my old Mustang. I'm practice on the Mustang, and then we're gonna do this. I think the next video is gonna be, I got some JDM fasteners for that. Quick release fasteners for the sides, and then I think I make the new tow hook up here. I like this tow hook. It's just I want the ones that go down that look cool. But yeah, let me back up the car. Okay, I got the old Mustang in the garage. I don't know, I'm talking like that. But I was driving around and there was a sheriff and I was scared, but can't do anything because I'm in my neighborhood. And then there's the pretty car, and here's the beat up car. It's not beat up, it just needs some work. It needs a lot of money and work and time. But we're going to be doing this, so this panel, so I'm gonna research how to do it, and then I might do this panel or the door or something. Just start making it look good and stuff. Yeah. Okay, I just washed this with some waterless spray. You can kind of see the difference. I don't know. And so now I'm gonna gotta find my toe just wrecked that. But now I got to polish this side. So yeah, gotta find the polisher though. It left like my dad. My dad didn't leave. That was a joke. Okay. I got the piece of tape to separate it. I got the piece of tape to separate it. So I'm gonna do this side, and then we're gonna see the difference. So yeah. Okay, it's hard to tell because this paint's really old. So it's not like it's really shiny like new paint. Like, because this is a newer car. This is a 2009. This is a 05. That's a little bit of a year difference. You can, if you look right here, you can see that shine right there. And if you go back here and look, you can see like all the defects still in it. That's hair, but I got dogs. You can see the defects, but then if you look in here, you really can't see any. So I didn't really like polish it really that hard. I just want to see if I can see a difference, but it's hard to tell on camera, but I can see on this front line right here, the difference between this. Just how you look at it. So yeah. Let me turn that off. I'll be right. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a bigger polisher. I like this one, but it's not really easy to use because of this. So I think I want to get one with a handle. So I'm gonna go and do that. Okay, so I was using this Meguiar stuff on the Mustang, and it's not really what I wanted to use, because I watched a video. A guy said he was using this Greer's complete compound stuff, and I got a better buffer. I got better pads, so I'm gonna go to work. I know the Meguiar's is good stuff. It's just I've watched the video and the guy said he liked this better for beginners. So if I was more of an expert, I'd use that. But I'm never really. I've only done one panel, which was earlier today on the Mustang, and I just want to get the swirls out. They're really bad, so I'm gonna get to work on this, and hopefully we get the car looking all right. I'm gonna start off with the front bumper, move to the sides, and then yeah, that's the plan. So I got the front bumper done. I got this done. I just gotta get this panel, and then down here, and then here, and the back hatch done, and then these two done, and that hatch done. I did the roof already, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I know it's not gonna come out like as a crazy professional job, but I already like how the front came out. And I know that I can't get the hood because of the rock chips, but yeah. So I'm gonna finish that. Okay guys, I think I was gonna end the video. She looks really nice and shiny and clean. I'm just gonna take her probably by the car wash to get all the extra stuff off. Okay, I mean not all the compound stuff off, because it kind of clumps up. Yeah, so yeah, some pressure water should take it off, or it'll just come off over time. But yeah, no more swirls. Got a nice gloss finish, so that's what I wanted. So what I got. It was kind of hard to do the back fenders. I didn't do the greatest on those, and these pillars was kind of hard to do because the car is not really like, if it was like a Mustang, it'd be kind of easier because it's very straightforward panels, but this is kind of got curved panels. So yeah, that's gonna do it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.